Good morning, you guys. This is the morning we fly down to the US again. We have a beautiful morning to do it. Look at this. Well, here's some of the things I'm feeling. I'm excited, of course. I'm also nervous. I'm also a little nervous, a little scared. I think just mainly because it's been so long. When we film today for the first time back in Cali and we upload this video, I think it's Thursday is scheduled to go up, it will have been 499 days since the last US content went up. That's crazy. We thought this was going to be like a few weeks to a month. That is crazy. So I'm just packing up, putting stuff away. YSOB socks. By the way, this is a nice lightweight hoodie with our anti-collector club on the back. We'll be dropping this hopefully in the next couple of weeks. So stay tuned for that. This is super limited. Like I think we made like 100 and something, like super small, like less than we've ever made before. And the reason for that is we had some extra white blanks, so we decided to switch it up and do this little line of clothing. We're gonna have a t-shirt that's also white, black. This is DDE here. By the way, this is black puff. It's really nice. And then of course we have the anti-collector club on the back. And I should stop talking and get my ass downstairs to meet the boys. We gotta go for our rapid COVID test. That's the first one we gotta do to be able to leave the country. So, by the way, it's early. It is currently 2 minutes after 7 a.m. I think the maid can handle closing that door. A little fresh air in here wouldn't hurt. And we're off like that. See you guys soon. So it is 7:15. We were supposed to meet down here. Dave's here. We're warming up the car, but we have not heard from Anthony. So now we're contemplating whether to run back up to his room and wake him up. We're on the back side of that far tower because we have an appointment to go get our rapid COVID test, and we want to also get some coffee in us. Wake us the fuck up before we go and make this video. It's gonna be pretty fun. Oh, I also found out what the surprise from Matt was. Pretty fucking baller. You'll see. Dave's gonna pull up front and I'm gonna start the rescue mission and see if I can't go and find Anthony. There he is. I was ready to come wake you up.
Oh, I'm awake.
Throw your shit in. Let's go. We want to get coffee. He's here. Booyah shaka.
Wikacha.
Are you ready? You ready to do this?
No.
I found out what Matt got us.
Oh, sorry, I had to wait
I
2
found
minutes.
out what Matt got us.
What did Matt get us?
What? So, my wife texted me because she's like, "You're going to the main terminal to get your COVID test,
Right.
but you're not staying there." I was like, "What?" She's like, "You need to go to the private side. Matt got your private jet."
Private side?
I was like, "Shut the fuck up."
Oh, what?
Matt August got us a private jet. We're all flying
We were
private.
talking about it in a video recently, but the cost is too crazy, so...
Really? He makes that much money off you guys?
Yeah.
Oh, shit, Matt!
Fuck.
Is Matt coming?
Biggie Matt August.
Is he coming?
So it's not, the deal was,
Is it a birthday deal?
Tasha was setting up the flights. We wanted to fly private. We asked Matt and Mike and the boys, because we know they've done it before, who to talk to. We started calling people. We got some contacts. I talked to my boy, Tim, Quack Sister. We got in contact with someone. We got a quote. Quote was a lot of money. Turns out Matt bumped into Tasha. Tasha and Matt, they split it. But still, it saves us thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars.
Well,
Matt paid
shit.
for half of it. We paid for the other half. That's pretty sick.
That's incredible.
That's a gang. And Matt's not
Thank you,
coming
Matt
in.
August.
That's a gangster move. He's not even coming with us. He's paying for half of the flight.
He's not. He wanted us to have the return flight to be as, he said in his words to Tash, he said, let the boys know I feel this is the only way they need to make their return to the U.S.
It is an August luxury motor car, so it's
Yeah, it's August luxury everything.
none of us can talk right now because we're so tired.
We need coffee.
For every 15 cars, you get a free private flight.
That's right. All right, we're here. COVID test facility. COVID medical. Come on, Anthony. All right, now we wait for the results.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
Woo! Guess what? Hold on. Stay with me. Negative, motherfucker. Negative.
We win.
We all got negative. Dave's positive for a few other things, but we all got negative. Off to the fucking US of A, bitches. Open my door for me. Make me a sandwich. Who do I think I am all of a sudden?
With all smoking materials, then pull the mask firmly, making certain
This is pretty
the strap
cool.
is free. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally.
So,
Fix the
8-passenger
attach strap around your
Lear
head.
75.
Secure the mask in place. Do not remove the mask until instructed to do so by your crew.
taxiing out to the runway.
The Learjet has 2 clearly marked emergency exits. The upper portion of the main
What are
cabin
goodies
entry
here?
door, located on the
Breakfast
forward
sandwiches are in the
left side,
microwave.
and the
Love you.
escape hatch,
See you soon.
located.
All right, guys, so a little behind the scenes for you. We have this jet, and on our way down, we don't go directly to Southern California. We're actually going to make a stop at Boeing Field in Seattle. That's where we're going to clear customs, as well as give us a bit of time to, we need to just use the bathroom. We can warm up our breakfast sandwiches and all that. It's going to be about 35, 45 minutes on the ground. But it's pretty cool, pretty surreal. Dave's liking it.
Oh, this is really, really cool. I like airplanes as well, so like how fast this thing banks and turns and climbs and drops is like, that's super cool.
And we're pretty low right now. See a bunch of boats down there. And they're just on the approach to Boeing Field. This is cool because this is also the first time we've ever been in U.S. airspace. So even before we touch down, we're pretty excited. But this is a Lear 75, if you don't know what jet we're on. So 8-passenger, and then the pilots. It's pretty quiet. Like you have a conversation in here, no problem.
What if we did this? Hear me out for a second, audience. What if we got one day our own plane, did a DDE livery, on the inside did like stitch, like G-Wagon interior, Alcantara on the walls? Guys?
All right. So we need you to buy a bit of merch.
Is that cruise ship? Let's check it out. The Space Needle back there somewhere. Oh yeah. I saw it. I know I saw it. There it is. Downtown Seattle.
And we're coming down.
Boeing Field.
Yeah. And touchdown.
So smooth.
Yeah, really smooth.
Nothing to rough that part. These guys have done this once or twice before. All over the place, alright. No wiggle room.
So we've landed. We are now waiting for a couple of fine U.S. Customs gentlemen to clear us. Give Anthony the strip search.
Just begging for it.
Get a little handsy.
Oh, yes, please.
Got anything in there?
Did
Got
that come
anything
with the
in
flight?
Good news. We all cleared customs. Dave, laid out. Anthony,
Don't know how that happened.
this is it. We're going to take off. Next stop, motherfuckers, California.
It says microwave safe. Alright guys, breakfast time. It says okay for microwaving. And we did one and it was okay. I'm gonna try 2 and show them what happened. Well, they touched each other and started an arc and almost burnt the fucking plane.
We don't want to do that when you're on a plane. The pilots were both very interested after that. They were both very interested.
They look concerned.
Both the pilots were like this. So the last one that went in by itself, the captain was like this the whole time, watching the microwave like this. But it's actually really good. It's a bacon egg sandwich, and they have these trays here, which is really nice. And Damon's our chef.
Yes, he
Get
is.
in there, take a bite of that son of a bitch. How was it? A little cold in the middle, but we don't want to burn the plane down.
Holy crap.
David, we're not gonna let you fly the plane. Leave it alone. Just gonna ask them to fly.
Cheating death, I told them. Cheating death.
So how looking the flight so far?
It's amazing. You know, this is when I wish I was like 4 foot tall.
Yeah. Coffee time.
Hot.
Can I use a plate?
My shit's fucking hot.
That is strawberry.
I took the metal thing off of mine and it heated up way quicker. The metal thing like almost insulates it and arcs it.
Yeah.
Anthony is currently rating the fucking plane of all snacks. If he's not eating it on this trip, he's taking it with him.
No.
He's throwing all sorts of shit in his duffel. What are you doing, Dave?
Stay comfortable. That's better.
Get your swivel on, eh? Fucking degenerates. Anthony figured out how to turn the seat right around, and then you can like basically lay flat and sleep. And you can turn the other one around and make a bed out of it.
Yeah, let's see if Dave can figure it out.
Watch this.
Couch.
Watch this.
Back to the bus, Steve.
That's pretty laid out.
That's pretty epic.
Dude, even this. Like, look, they're not touching, but like, you basically,
You got room for two over
you
here?
could sleep like
Yeah.
this.
You got room for two?
Come and
Lay
snuggle.
right on top of it. And the pilots were like, what the fuck's you doing? We're good. We're good, boys. Can I see that card? It's actually pretty cool. So this is the passenger convenience information for the aircraft we're on. It's run a Learjet 75, built by Bombardier, which is cool. Canadian.
Yeah.
Canadian built. So it shows you all the safety features. Touchscreen, headset, all the air. This is cool. It's like this stuff pops up and down. So you push this, jacks it up, and then this actually comes out, turns towards me. Got all sorts of information on here and data. So we're almost at San Jose already. We're over halfway done our trip. We're over halfway done already.
Wow, already?
Yeah, look.
Holy shit, that's quick.
Yeah. So it's pretty cool. You can play music.
Countdown begins.
Yeah.
cool. And Anthony noticed he had a look up there. We've been flying at a cruising altitude of 45,000 feet.
It's insane.
Yeah, that's like about, I think that's,
Divided by 350,000 maybe.
is that normally where we fly commercial?
I think
35,000?
35,000.
So maybe we're
right?
10,000, like we're on a different freeway in the skies.
It's huge.
It's pretty cool. We can ask the pilots after. We'll find out. Anyhow, super privileged to do this. It's pretty awesome. We were talking about how what's really cool about this whole experience is that, you know, this is all earned through hard work and working with August Luxury Motor Cars, and, you know, Dave and I not putting our tails between our legs and like just giving up when we came to Canada and redeveloping the whole business. So, and everybody we work with working together, like August, SR, Rapworks, Fast Track Auto Body. I mean, these are the 4 crucial companies that we worked with over the last year, as you guys know, to keep things going. So, pretty awesome. It'd be crazy. Like, think about it. People own big jets and just fly wherever. Like John Travolta flies his own jet, lands it at his house.
Yeah, he's got his
own runway, his own hangar. Like, that's baller shit.
Yeah, and he's got like big Boeings too. From what I
He's got big planes, big planes.
Crazy.
Anyhow,
And he flies them himself.
yeah, he does. He's
That's epic.
Yeah.
That's craziness. That's
Imagine flying off your own property and going wherever you want.
what's better than that?
I can't think of anything better.
Helicopter, jet, cars, all from your house.
That'd be sick. This is it. We gotta do a toast. We got everybody here. Old friends, new friends, who can drive better than my old friends. Cheers. Cheers. All right. Thanks for coming out. All my brothers from another mother. Brothers from the same mother. We won't tell anybody. Cheers. Cheers. New friends. New friends. Cheers. Cheers, guys. This is to the first major fan meet and greet that we've had in a year and a half. That's why we're drinking before we go. Hey, if you see Dave later and he gets a little handsy, don't press charges. So we're here at Gintani with Alex. Alex is going to be doing the tuning on this car. Alex, fire it up and give it a couple reps. We're going to put this on the gram just so people can get excited. I haven't revved it because I didn't know if it would be bad or whatever for the car, and Alex is like, it's fine as long as you're not moving. So here you go. First time. Listen to the higher pitch sound of this. Well, you don't got to question if my F12's twin turbo, now do you?
Yeah.
Another one. He's trying to give me a reunion with the BHPD.
You got it.
You got it? Are we gonna get it? Are we gonna get it? This guy's like, what Range Rover did I get? I got the wrong Range Rover model. Yeah, make some noise, make some noise. Oh shit. They coming for us? I saw something back there.
It's not a cup, right? It's not a cup.
guy done fucked up. He got the wrong Range Rover model.
Yo, the cop passed by and he was like, look, he saw you.
No, rev it.
Alright, follow me.
Just hammer it, just hammer it.
How you doing, Kelsey? First time back to Beverly Hills. Terrorizing the streets of BH. It's quiet.
Popcorn. Left. My car's quiet.
Damn. Left. And they're gone. They're gone. What's with Tent City up here? What the hell? So I'm with Composer. His car's crazy as fuck. This thing's nutty. Like, I love the color. It's gotta be the loudest Range
It's the
Rover I've
loudest
ever
thing I've
heard.
ever heard.
It's crazy.
It sounds good and it's borderline like,
Yeah. So we're just leaving the Beverly Center and we're gonna head to, I think, another mall. We're looking for some, we're looking for a store with some kicks. And this is apparently not it. This is like Beverly Hills housewife bullshit mall.
I was born there, bro.
Where?
Right there, Cedar Sinai. I was born
Oh, right there?
I was born there.
That's crazy. What's crazy is being back on Rodeo, and check this out. They don't even have cops out here anymore. They just put this little contraption with cameras aimed in every direction. How crazy is that? Cops are trying to beat us at our own game. Cameras on cameras. We just saw a really sick Urus in this like wild blue color. So we're gonna go check it out. It's right over here down the street. It is a wrap, but it's still pretty sick. It's got like some sort of a hood. I'm not a huge fan of the hood, but I like the blue. Some wheels. What else we got? Let's see what else we got. Well, out here, plane, helicopter, plane. Wide body. Damn. Composer making people back the fuck up. Everybody got in there for the cold start and then backed up real quick.
Realized that.
Dude, was that Blue
That was
Beauties?
him, bro. I don't think he's backing up. He's backing up. He's backing
Yari,
up.
you
He's
see
backing up.
Blue Beauties?
He's
Come
backing
on.
up right now.
Let's go. Let's go see Blue Beauties. Oh, he's backing up. He's backing all the way up Rodeo. He's backing all the way up Rodeo. David, Blue Beauties in the Tesla with the body kit.
Hey, David,
Yo! Hey, you got the hoodie on.
Yeah.
Let's see it. Looks good. Fits good?
oh yeah.
Hell yeah. Everyone's got the merch on. Right, he told him to rev it. Still on him in the SVR, baby.
4 people deep, too.
4 people deep, racing Huracans.
Now you're gonna say hi to him right now. It's over. Yeah, he'll be like, oh, he's going away. He's rolling away. Is that where we needed to turn?
No, the next one. Like,
That's so
that
ridiculous.
was
I
the
love
meeting for the next one.
it. That was awesome.
He's right there. He's right there. He's right there. He got you, bro. He got you. We got 4 people. We got heavyweight. What do you say? It's a rental, bro. It's a Hilhambo.
We're rolling deep for dinner. This is the best part right here. Composer's wheels not touching the ground, so it's just spinning. It's just spinning in the air. Okay? Nothing. He's freewheeling, so his wheel was spinning freely. It's not touching the ground, right? Dude, the interior is so Gucci in this thing.
This thing is.
Like, look at that. Look at these back. Look at the back. Dude. White seats.
You gotta go with the Oreo.
I'm impressed they're still white, not covered in
I know, right?
not covered in self tanner. The Yari life. Currently not. Your wheel's currently not touching the ground. There you go. You're good. Well, we're back. I'm tired. Everyone's tired. We're beat. Long day up in LA, the Valley, Beverly Hills. But yeah, we're calling it a night. That's it for today.